What's up guys, Guggen Barbecue here, and today we're going to be cooking on my latest Facebook Marketplace find. It's a Carson Rodizio Brazilian style rotisserie machine that can pretty much fit on any type of grill. Today we're going to be using it on top of the side sear station on my Pits and Spits offset smoker. So if you guys are interested in seeing it, follow along and stay tuned. Alright, let's get our pit fired up. So I'm going to be using the side sear station on this Pits and Spits offset smoker, and fueling the fire is going to be Meathead charcoal. They're a local company here in Georgia, and I thought I would support, a small business and see how their charcoal is. So far I'm noticing some really nice big chunks, so I think this is going to burn hot and be perfect for what we're doing today. Got some vegetables that I've already sliced up, and we're going to go ahead and get these on the spits. They're pretty sharp, so you want to be, a little careful when you're putting these through. But we've got some onion, we've got some different colored peppers, and that's looking pretty good. So go ahead and get the rest of these on here as well. And I'm going to throw a little rub on this pineapple. Why not? We've got Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. And that's going to be tasty. Alright, so we have our beautiful looking picanha here. Got a nice thick fat cap on it. And for skewers and skewers only, you want to cut this against the grain. And I'll show you why when we get to the point of putting this on a skewer. We're going to find which way the grain is going. You can see that it's running along this way. And you probably want to use, I don't know, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, say 3 or 4 fingers thick. And we'll give that a slice. Man, that's a beauty. So when this goes on the skewer, it's going to be kind of bent like this. And then we're going to take our knife and we're going to slice down with it. And it's still going to be cutting against the grain. So this is for skewers only. You're going to use this method. All right, let's get this first one on the skewer. Start here and kind of go down at an angle. Come out the bottom. And then we're going to bend this over. All right, so we got those on there. They look pretty good. The only thing I'm going to put on here is coarse kosher salt. Let's go ahead and sprinkle it on there, and then we'll get the rotisserie machine all set up and ready to go. Man, this thing is so much fun to cook on. I can't believe I scored it off Facebook Marketplace. It was about $180. I think these are about 600 or 700 new, so I was really happy to find it. And I encourage you all to take a look at Facebook and Craigslist and see if you can find deals like this as well, because it's always fun saving money. And in this case, it's been pretty tasty. So we're gonna let these finish up. They're getting up to temperature and they're looking really, really good, and I'm already getting really hungry. Alright, it's probably been about 20 to 30 minutes. The smaller pieces of picanha are already finished. This one is almost done, and I wanted to get my pineapple at the bottom and kind of get that a little charred as well. But it's turning out and looking beautiful so far. Let's take a look at this meat. Oh yeah, that's going to be delicious. Alright, so let's dig in. It looks like everything is ready. It's looking really pretty. I mean, just look at this presentation. So this rotisserie is all about showing off, really. So if you're having company over, it's a really fun way to cook and impress them. So let's dig into this steak and see how we did. It's looking pretty good. I mean, just look at that color. Right, let's give this a little taste test. So, excellent flavor. It's got all that salt flavor that we added to it, but also that beef still really shines through. It's got that smoky flavor you get from the charcoal. Man, it's good. So what do you guys think? This was a really fun cook. It came out beautiful. Perfect medium, just the way I like it. I hope everybody enjoyed it. And if you did, please consider subscribing. So I'll see you guys in the next one.